Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you, always be happy. So viewer, first of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Pattern Design Ideas. Lovely viewers, thankful to you for subscribe my channel and watching all my previous videos. And also think about I have brought it for you most gorgeous, unique and splendid crochet baby dress pattern design ideas. Crochet baby dress are adorable and can be personalized in many ways. Here are some ideas for crochet baby dress pattern. Simple aligned shape with the lacy bodies and skirt. Use pastel color and add a ribbon or bow at a waist. Dress with multiple layer of ruffle on the skirts. Mix and match color for the ruffles for a playful look. Basic dress with added crochet flower applique. Place flower around the necklace or hem for a cute touch. It's an amazing collection. This article most so amazing, so stunning ideas. Dress with a Peter Pan collar and puffed sleeve. Use vintage style button and a muted color palette. Sleeveless dress with a flared skirt. Perfect for summer. Use bright cheerful color and lightweight yarn. Longer dress that can be paired with legging or tight. Add pocket or a belt for extra style. Today I'm sharing this video crochet baby dress pattern design ideas. Dress with a lace pattern on the yoke and a solid skirt. Choose a contrasting color for the yoke to make it stand out. Dress with a pattern on the skirt. Use a gradient of colors for a streaking effect. Dress with a ball detail at the back. The bow can be made in a contrasting color for a cute surprise. Dress with animal beard detail on the hood or hat. Think bunny, ear, bear, ears, or even a unicorn horn. Use soft baby friendly yarn like cotton or acrylic blends. Avoid small embellishment like button or beads that can be choking hearts. Make sure to follow size use guideline closely for a good fit. Choose yarn that are machine washable for easy care. Would you like more specific pattern or instruction for any of these ideas? Today I'm sharing this video crochet baby dress pattern design ideas. For those people who love crochet baby dress pattern design ideas, this is very beautiful amazing design. So dear friend, if you want to complete visiting my YouTube channel, that link in description box. And also if you want my new video, visit my YouTube channel creation. I hope you will enjoy these amazing ideas. You can see beautiful and stunning design ideas. You know guys, different people have different choice. So guys, share the video with your friend family who want crochet baby dress pattern design ideas. So guys, like my video, subscribe my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon for new latest update. Be connected with me, remember me in your prayer friends. See you soon. Allah Hafiz and take care. Allah bless you.